This is kind of like the sound check before later on in the evening here at the Embassy Suites in Independence, Ohio. And they're doing sound checks for the Project Band. So what you're hearing is a little bit of them as they're kind of working on stuff for their gig tonight, along with Michael Costa and the Beat. And this is day number 2 of the PucoYashu's New Year's Eve Extravaganza here at the Embassy Suites Hotel in Independence, Ohio. So just doing a brief sound, showing you a little bit of what's going on while they're performing before the real deal at 4 p.m. So hopefully everyone's doing well out there on this New Year's Eve weekend.
Check 1, 2.
Hey, Sarah.
Hey guys.
Yes, hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Thanks, you too.
You're welcome.
So you're filming
Just the sound checks.
checks?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. It's going to be a fun evening, folks, here in Independence, Ohio, and I know there are people that are still coming. So if you're coming, we're looking forward to seeing you when you get here. And of course, for those of you out there who can't be here with us this weekend, you're going to hear a lot of great music this weekend from the project, and of course Michael Costa and the Beat, the Polka family, and the Dyna Brass. So a lot of great music. So make sure you folks out there on Facebook check out the videos throughout the weekend. And hello to our regular viewers who watch our videos. And at this time, I want to make sure before I forget, and my dad does, that we say thank you to everyone that has watched our videos throughout the course of the year. We appreciate it very much. And dziękuję bardzo from the bottom of our hearts. And all the nice compliments we have received about our videos that we do. So we appreciate it very much. We always love doing this stuff for everyone out there who enjoys these videos, just like we like to share them with all of you out there. Again, if you're tuned in, you're probably wondering where we're at. We're at the Embassy Suites in Independence, Ohio. This is the PucoYashu's New Year's Eve Extravaganza weekend. And this is a sound check warm-up of the project, who's going to be playing opposite Michael Costa and the Beat later on, starting at 4 p.m. till 10. A lot of activities happening this weekend here at the Embassy Suites in Independence, Ohio. A lot of good stuff. Robin, Peg, Jerry, Chadwick with their live Polkas After Dark shows last night and today. Great job from the both of them as always. There's a sipping pink going on in one of the rooms, and they're going to have trivia where Robin and Jerry have been doing their live shows the last couple of days. A lot going on this weekend, so again, if you're coming down, we're gonna have a blast and have a great time. And if you cannot be here and this weekend, be sure to again check out the live videos on Facebook and of course YouTube, certainly.
Ultimately number 3.
Check 1. dzień dobry, hey, dzień dobry, a good day in every way. Just say dzień dobry, hey, dzień dobry, all this means have a good day. Just say dzień dobry, hey, dzień dobry, a good day in every way.
Wow. Very nice. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Woo. Wow.
And that's coming attractions, folks.
Yes, yes. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Okay.
Sound is in check.
Yes. So what you heard, folks, was the sound check for the project. It's going to be a fun evening. So for now, going to break for now. We will see you folks when we come on, when the project is on. 4 o'clock. So be sharp, be square. And if you're coming here, we'll see you later. Bye for now.